Hello. Today I am back. For a while, because of certain reasons. I'm just gone a lot. But today I'm on a ferry. He kind of said it would be, and I'm working on him. He already has that for gems. Got that one. But I'm working on him. Nothing yet. I haven't changed the colors, and I'm gonna buy member for him soon. Okay. So I want to tell you. Whoa. Sorry, there was just this thing. Sorry about that. There's a story that I have to tell you. With myself, the 2741. A couple days back, he was suspended from trading and gifting for 3 days. It's because this user look at me, I can't spell. Yeah, her. God, she's mean. Her. I wanted to trade for her headdress, and she said, "Say yes to my true trades, and I'll send you a headdress." And I said, "No." But she traded anyways. And so then the first trade was a desk, like a store-bought school desk for that mech, and I said no, obviously. And then she went to Jama Township. That's her user. Could be worse. She went to Jama Township and she said, "Report Purple 2741 for scamming." Like, report Purple 2741 on all caps, and she got everybody to report me. So, yeah, just report her as much as she can, because she's just a big bully. And she's just really annoying, and I hate jammers like that. And she's also really selfish, so please help me, because that was really rude of her. Now I'm all muddy. Let's get muddy. Dance in the mud. Yeah, power in the mud. Get all muddy. Muddy. I'm gonna get more muddy. Mud. 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 Whoa. I was gonna say, she doesn't look that rare. Yeah, she does. And of course she does, but she's not my admin. Oh, she will. That is disgusting. Animal Jam's about having fun, not relationship. Okay. Let's see if we can do some journey book action. Oh, I'm all clean. Jeez, this computer always does that. Shoot. There we go. Hurry up, dang computer. There, hurry up! I have any mail. Don't know if I have any mail. Check if I have any mail. No new mail. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm not on my old account. Like on my regular account. Sorry. Gosh, it's boring. We have rare items. Wait a minute. Yeah, I do. So, back on the old account. 20. Okay, I like this one. Make animals go with it. Fish animal. Fish animal. How much items do I have? I'm so weird. Oh, I have 200. I don't need this stupid stuff. I just transfer some stuff to my storage. Now I have 199 items. Well, there's a rare today, so. Holy crap. When did that happen? When the freak did that happen? What? Sorry, what? 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 No, this is, no. She did not get, she's not that, what? Oh, T. T. Okay, give me a sec, I'm recording. What's worth? Oh, I know it's worth a pink beard. I think. Well, beards went down, so. What the hell? Oh my god, I hate when it does that. Sorry, I made this set again. So there's two cuts in the video because my name got said. No, my inventory. Well, yeah, so my name got said. Ew, that looks so bad. Better. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Again, because I said no to a trade. That is really freaking cool. Yeah, give me a minute. No, YouTube. YouTube. Whoopsie. YouTube. So, username switch. So, if you were subscribed to me, then you'll be subscribed to Inquiry AJ and you'll be like, who's this random dude? Who's this random guy? That's me. So, yeah. Thanks for being lovely.